I wasn't playing when I said I was a rich bitch. Oh, what she saying? Money too loud, ho, I missed it. You ain't got no bag, feeding my ass.
Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and love DIY videos, be sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification button so that you are notified every single time that I upload a new video. Lately, I've been in love with sea salt scrubs or salt scrubs, you guys. And I've been on a roll making these, you guys. And this one in particular that you guys see me making is one of my best sellers. It smells really, really tropical, like dragon fruit, watermelon. It has like so many different smells that you get from this one scrub. And I made the scent myself with 3 different scents. So if you guys want to purchase the recipe, I'll have the recipe on my website. I'll link it in the description. If you guys want to purchase the scrub from me, I will have it linked in the description as well. I will also link where I get all my stuff from, and everything is mainly from Amazon. Y'all know we love Amazon. My scrubs, they all contain Optiphen, which is a preservative that I use. For a long time I was using Lit Naturals preservative, but I learned how to use Optiphen and you know the right percentages for it, and Optiphen is more better for you know these DIY things, or if you want to sell this product for your business. I learned that a lot of business owners use Optiphen as well, so I started using Optiphen you know early on in this year. So yeah, you guys, it's real easy to make these salt scrubs. I use Dead Sea salt. If you want to get fancy, you can add some Epsom salt. I use grapeseed oil. That's one of the oils that I used in my scrub. And I used a few other oils, but you guys will have to purchase, you know, to get the full deets. So the reason why I chose grapeseed oil is because it's not greasy, it's non-comedogenic, so it's not going to clog your pores, and it is very moisturizing as well as lightweight on the skin, so you will not be greasy from this scrub, but it is very moisturizing. I do not have to use lotion after using this scrub. And then I added some poppy seeds just for some aesthetic purposes. You could do more or less with the poppy seeds, and it also gives it a softer exfoliation as well, because sometimes the Dead Sea salt can be you know a little not abrasive, but it could be a little bit much for some people. And I'm just stopping my machine and getting the sides so that I can mix everything evenly. And I am using like one of my wax sticks. This is a clean new wax stick. I got it out of my container, because if you guys don't know, if you're new to my channel, I am an esthetician now, and I specialize in Brazilian waxes. And I was making these scrubs on a whim because I have a sale going on. You guys probably won't know. It'll probably be over once this video is over. But I have a sale going on. But my YouTube subscribers, they always get 15% off whether I have a sale or not. But yeah, these been selling like crazy, so I had to make some more for my orders I had going out. But yeah, you guys, you could use salt, Dead Sea salt. You could use different clays in your salt scrubs, your sugar scrubs. In my recipe, I do go in detail, you know, the different clays that I have used, and I personally am educated on. I can't speak for things that I don't know about. I only can speak on things that I have tried. So if you purchase my recipe book, which is really cheap, you guys, I don't sell my stuff for super high, but I tell you all in detail all the different stuff I used in all my scrubs, and what I like, what I don't like, and what you could use, and where I get everything from. Even though I'll list everything in my description, except for my secret oils that I use to get the fragrance. I will not list that on my video, but you guys get what I'm saying. But look how moisturizing and so good this scrub looks, you guys. It is one of my favorites. I literally just got out the shower using this same scrub. It is amazing. Okay, you need to get you one. You need to make you one. You need to do something. Using salt scrubs or scrubs in general, you should be using them at least 2 to 3 times a week if you have sensitive skin. Once to twice per week. Some benefits of Dead Sea salt is that it purifies your pores, it's antibacterial, antimicrobial. It is very, very relaxing. It minimizes your pores, it cleanses your pores, get rid of blackheads, whiteheads, acne, pimples, all that stuff. And you know, when sometimes you get Brazilian waxes, you could get ingrown hair. So yeah, this scrub is great for a lot of different things. Look at the moisture, look at it. But yeah, you guys, if you made it this far in the video and was listening to me talk and enjoying this video, leave me a white heart emoji if you made it this far into the video. If you don't like videos where people are talking, you know, you could just turn the volume down, but it's a little bit late in the game if you are still listening and you haven't turned your volume down. But yeah, you guys, I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video because the video is really short. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Flexing on my exes and my Model X, pretty little skinny little bitty body.